I want to tell you about your starter kit. Now, when you get that awesome box, invite your friends, your neighbors. I know you're going to be so excited to open it up the minute it comes, because I was, but invite your friends to come over. Do you know how much fun it is when you're opening that box and your friends are there and saying, oh, look at this necklace, look at this. It's so much fun. Well, you know what? If your family or friends can't make it, just turn on your phone, go to your Facebook page and say, I just got my starter kit. Do you want to see what's in it? And open it up with your friends on Facebook. That's so fun to do because you get so excited doing that. Do you want to know what's in the starter kit? Well, I'm going to tell you. You get jewelry. You get neck busts. There's a repair kit. There's hooks to hang your jewelry on. And you have this amazing book that comes. It teaches you all the things about paparazzi. Now, you want to see it? Whoa, look at how cool this is. And whoa, and oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna show you. Oh, that's all you're gonna see. You gotta wait. Look how classy and amazing Paparazzi is. They don't just give you a flip chart. Awesome. Well, guess what else? You are so lucky to be in this company because Paparazzi is classy. I want to show you. Look at my necklace that I got for recognition. It's this crystal necklace. Isn't that so amazing? You get crowns. Look at this bling boss. Oh my gosh. Woo! This is really heavy. And we have these crowns that you can get for life of the party. Oh my gosh, look at this crown. Is that amazing? I gotta show you this one. Do you want a crown that looks like this? You can earn this through Paparazzi. And remember to love your life.